Stop scrolling right now, because what you're about to see is not just another muscle car review. This is the 2026 Ford Mustang GT, a V8 legend that refuses to die in a world full of hybrids and EVs. While Ferrari and Porsche are charging supercar money, this Mustang is asking a simple question. Why pay triple the price when you just want real power, real sound, and real presence? If you live in the USA or you're watching from Japan, Southeast Asia, or anywhere in Asia where traffic is tight and fuel prices hurt, stay with me, because this car might surprise you more than you think. The 2026 Mustang GT stays true to what made the Mustang famous, a naturally aspirated 5.0-liter V8. In the USA, the starting price is expected around $42,000 to $45,000 depending on options. In Japan, after import taxes and registration, expect roughly 7.5 to 8.5 million yen. In ASEAN markets like Thailand, Malaysia, or Indonesia, prices can range from $95,000 to over $120,000 due to duties, but even then, it undercuts most European sports cars by a huge margin. That price difference matters a lot when you think long-term ownership. Now let's talk fuel, because this is where many Asian buyers hesitate. The Mustang GT is not a fuel saver like a hybrid Corolla or a Tesla. In city driving, you can expect around 14 to 15 miles per gallon, and on the highway, about 23 to 25 miles per gallon if you drive calmly. For Asian traffic, that means heavy congestion will drink fuel faster. But here's the key point. You are buying this car for emotion, sound, and performance, not for maximum fuel savings. Compared to a Ferrari V8 or Porsche 911, the Mustang actually costs less to run. Ferrari and Porsche need premium fuel too, but their servicing and parts cost far more. There is no hybrid or EV version of the GT yet, but Ford has improved efficiency through better gearing and aerodynamics, making it more usable than older Mustangs. Maintenance is where the Mustang GT really makes sense for Asian buyers who want a performance car without stress. In the USA, annual maintenance averages around $1,200 to $1,500, including oil, filters, and inspections. In Japan and ASEAN markets, it's higher due to imports, but still far cheaper than European supercars. Ferrari maintenance can easily cross $5,000 per year, and Porsche is not far behind. Mustang parts are widely available, shared across Ford's global network, and many components are mass-produced. That means less waiting time and lower repair costs, which is very important in Asian markets. Resale value is another big factor. Muscle cars used to drop value fast, but modern Mustangs are different. The Mustang GT holds value well, especially V8 models, because Ford is slowly moving toward electrification. In the USA, after 5 years, you can still expect around 55 to 60% resale value if maintained well. In Japan and ASEAN markets, resale can be even stronger because V8 sports cars are rare and desirable. Ferrari and Porsche may hold value too, but the entry cost is so high that the risk is bigger. Performance sounds scary on paper, but in real life, it's surprisingly friendly. The 2026 Mustang GT produces around 480 horsepower. In simple terms, that means easy overtaking on highways and strong acceleration even at half throttle. In city driving, the car is calm if you want it to be. The automatic transmission shifts smoothly, and you don't need to push the engine hard. In traffic-heavy Asian cities, you can drive it like a normal car. On the highway, the Mustang feels relaxed at cruising speeds, with low engine stress and good stability. It's not a track-only car. It's a daily usable performance coupe. Ownership cost is something smart buyers always calculate. Insurance in the USA for the Mustang GT is usually lower than Ferrari or Porsche because parts are cheaper and repair networks are larger. In Asian markets, insurance is still premium level, but again, less painful than European exotics. Tires, brakes, and consumables are also more affordable. You don't need special carbon ceramic brakes like on a Porsche. Regular performance brakes do the job and cost much less to replace. Now let's compare it briefly with Ferrari and Porsche, because that question always comes up. Ferrari gives you extreme performance and brand prestige, but it demands extreme money and patience. Porsche is more refined and precise, but options quickly push prices sky high. The Mustang GT offers raw power, iconic design, and strong reliability at a fraction of the cost. You may not get the same badge prestige, but you get freedom. Freedom to drive hard without worrying about every scratch or service bill. For Asian roads and traffic, this car is smarter than people think. Yes, it's wide, but modern driver aids, cameras, and sensors make it easy to handle. The suspension is comfortable enough for uneven roads, especially compared to stiff European sports cars. Ground clearance is manageable for speed bumps if you drive carefully. And because it's not an ultra-low supercar, daily usability is better. The 2026 Mustang GT is for buyers who want emotion, sound, and performance, but still think with their head. It's not pretending to be a hybrid, and it's not apologizing for being a V8. In a world moving fast towards silent cars, this Mustang reminds us why people fell in love with driving in the first place. If you enjoyed this deep, honest review and want more real-world car content for the USA and Asian markets, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Your support helps us bring you more cars that actually matter. See you in the next video.